In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HoneyBook for event planners. If you're looking to seamlessly manage your events, clients, and payments all in one place, you're in for a treat. HoneyBook is a versatile platform that centralizes your workflow, allowing you to create, manage, and maintain your business efficiently. Let's dive into the essentials of using HoneyBook to elevate your event planning process. First up, we're going to create a project. Think of this as the cornerstone of your HoneyBook experience. By creating a project, you set the foundation for all the activities related to a specific event or client. To start, simply add in your client's name and all relevant event details. This might include the event date, location, and any special notes or requirements that your client has. Essentially, this is where you'll keep all the critical information together, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks as your event planning takes shape. Next, you're going to send a proposal. Now, this isn't just any proposal. HoneyBook allows you to seamlessly integrate your contract, invoice, and payment options into one comprehensive document. This means that your client gets a clear, professional presentation that lays out all the necessary details, from terms and conditions to the financials. This all-in-one approach not only saves time, but also ensures that your client has a complete understanding of what they are agreeing to, making the entire process smooth and transparent. Once your proposal is sent and received, it's time to get paid and track everything. As your client signs the contract and makes their payment, HoneyBook will allow you to manage all these details effortlessly. Everything is stored in one place, so you can easily keep tabs on incoming payments and any outstanding invoices. What's more, HoneyBook's tracking features help you stay organized, ensuring you meet deadlines and maintain a high level of client satisfaction. By keeping all documents and payment statuses at your fingertips, you're in control of every detail, minimizing any potential hiccups along the way. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the basics of using HoneyBook as an event planner. It's truly a game changer by condensing several processes into an easy-to-use platform, increasing your productivity, and allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating unforgettable events for your clients. Remember to explore HoneyBook's other features as well, like scheduling and communication tools, to further enhance your planning experience. Thanks for watching, and happy event planning!